So here's the 15 kilowatt system, solar system. So normally, I will show you how to turn it on the system first. So the first thing is we need to turn on the battery normally. So when gas is on now. So when it's showing discharge is on and charging is on, means now it's 99%. So the next step, we should turn it on. So here's like discharging part, and here's like a charging part. So we just separate them, and so we can turn it on the battery. If the voltage is around more than 390 something, then we should turn it on here first. At around 390 or 400 something, then you can turn it on first. Then you can charge, could be using power. Now it's working. Then we can turn it on the breaker between the battery. Then you see it's on. Second one, you can turn like this. So this one, turn it on. So you will see the voltage from the LCD here. And also, now it's not charging. We also have another switch on the left. So it's here. So just turn it on. In minutes, this will flash. Turn it on here. And then turn on the left switch. So we will switch it. So you see now it's charging. It's 42 amp. And we can see it also from here. Now it's 49. Then you can see, you can turn it on the output breaker. If we have the manpower, we need to connect the manpower, we can turn it on here for backup. So now we are using, so now the battery is priority mode. So if we want to switch to AC priority, we just leave it. But we don't have the AC modifier, so if we have the power, once we have power, we will switch to AC priority. Use the power instead of battery. How it works. So now we should use AC priority because you should use the solar battery as the first priority. So the whole system is turned on like this. Then you just turn on the line one by one. Okay, that's the point. Okay, when you connect to here, this is the output. This is three-phase with the neutral cable and the ground cable. Then you should connect it here. And here's the main input. You just connect to here, three-phase too. So then you will have power. Okay.
So this one from the main,
from the main. Yeah, from the grid. Yes.
And this one to the house.
This one to the house. Yes. That's how
it's like three-phase.
Yeah, it's three-phase. Okay, you have to make sure the balance is between three phases. If not balanced, then you have to make the difference is too big, you may have a problem. So this is the normal step. So if you want to turn off, normally we will turn off the output breaker, turn off the breaker, then we turn off the manpower, and then turn off the battery. Then we should turn off the left side switch here, so to let them stop charging. Left, and then turn off here, and turn off here, and then we turn off the breaker between the battery and the controller. Okay, so this is the normal step. Turn off and turn on.